So once again, welcome dear students. You are most welcome to All Rounder BSS YouTube channel and All Rounder BSS online coaching classes. So if you have not liked this video, then please have liked to this video. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and share this video. So for Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam and Sainik School entrance exam, we did started a chapter in our last video named the number system, and now we are going to discuss more about this chapter. So now what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss detailed information of all three number systems, which is very important because we have to understand and we have to know about all the three number systems. The first number system was international number system, which is also known as British number system, and the second one was Indian number system, which is also known as Hindu-Arabic number system, and the third one was Roman number system. So now first we are going to get detailed information of international number system, which is also known as British number system and which is very most usable number system in the world. So the first line, as you can see, in this number system we start count from 1 and go up to infinity. As for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go up to infinity. It means if you want to get a least number to count any quantity, then you will have 1 as least quantity in international number system. But the main difference rises in the terms of pronunciation of numbers and use of commas between the digits of the number. It means the main difference in between Indian number system and international number system is about the pronunciation of numbers and the use of commas in between the digits of the numbers. Pronunciation of numbers from 1 to 99,999 is same in both international number system and Indian number system, but after 99,999 the pronunciation of the numbers go change in both the number systems. It means if you are pronouncing a number between 1 to 99,999 including both of these numbers, then there will no change in the use of commas and the pronunciation of the numbers in both the number systems. If you are pronouncing 90,000 in Indian number system, the same 90,000 will be pronounced in the international number system. There will no change. The comma between international number system and Indian number system for 90,000 will be same. So after 99,999, the use of commas will be different for both the number systems and the pronunciation of the numbers will be different for both the number system. For example, in international number system, 100,000 is pronounced as 100,000. In international number system, the number 100,000 is pronounced as 100,000, and in the terms of commas it is written as 100,000. Okay, so it was in international number system. But if we are going to pronounce it in Indian number system, then the same number 100,000 is pronounced as 1 lakh. But you know, the value of 100,000 is same. The value never changed, but the pronunciation of number may be changed. So in international number system, this number 100,000 is pronounced as 100,000. But in Indian number system, it is pronounced as 1 lakh. And the use of comma in international number system was 100,000. But in Indian number system, the use of comma is as follows: 1,00,000. It means what we have seen here? We have seen here in international number system, we used only 1 comma between this number. But in Indian number system, we used 2 commas in between the digits of the numbers. So there is a change. We will discuss more for the commas, because there is a system, there are some rules to use commas in both the number systems. Okay, so first we are going to discuss numeration in international number system. So there is a system, there is some rules, there are some rules in international number system to numerate any number. Here, for example, in 23, 45, 67, 89, 23, 45, 67, 89, this is a number. So unit digit is 9. Okay, sorry, first we are discussing here. Okay, so numeration in international number system may be done as follows. In international number system, we use a comma after every third digit starting from unit digit. So if we start from unit digit, so after every third digit, we will place a comma in between the digits of a number in international number system. So for example here, if a number is, what is the number? The number is 23, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a number. If we want to place commas in between digits of this number according to international number system, then we will have to follow this rule. This rule says, after every third digit from unit digit, place a comma. It means in this number, the unit digit is 9 and third digit from the unit digit is 1, 2, 3. So third digit is 7. So after the 7, in between 6 and 7, we will place a comma. And after 6, the third digit is 4 because it is 1, 2, 3. So this is the third one. So we will place a comma in between 3 and 4. So after each third number from the unit digit, we have to place a comma for international number system. So the number 23, 45, 67, 80, 89 will be written in the terms of commas in international number system as comma, comma. So two commas will be placed in between this number. Therefore, we put okay. And in the terms of words, this number is 23 million 456,789. So if you are asked in the examination the number 23, 456, 789 in the terms of international number system known as, so you will have to choose this word. The word says 23,456,789. Okay. Now numeration table of for international number system. So there we have placed a table for numeration for international number system. So first column is showing power notation and second column is showing mathematical figures and the third column is showing the number in words. So if the power of 10 is 0, then the mathematical figure will be 1 and it is known as in the words unit. If the power of 10 is 1, then the mathematical figure will be 10 and it is in the words it is 10. Okay. If the power of 10 is 2, then the mathematical figure will be 100 and the in words it is called as 100. So we have told you that up to 99,999, it means up to here. Up to here there is no change in both the number systems, Indian number system and international number system. The power notation, the mathematical figures and the in words, it will be same. But when the power of 10 is 5, the mathematical figure will be 100 comma 000, and it is 100,000, not 1 lakh. In Indian number system, it will be 1 lakh. In Indian number system, it will be written as 1 dash 00 comma 1 comma 00 comma 000, and it will be 1 lakh. 1 lakh. But here it is international number system, therefore it will be pronounced as 100,000 and will be written as 100,000. So please remember this whole table, and you can take a screenshot, and you can also buy this book from our Android application. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about now we are going to discuss about Indian number system, which is also known as Hindu-Arabic number system. This number system is also known as Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay. So in this number system, we start count from 1 and go up to infinity. So as in international number system, we start counted from 1 and go up to infinity. Similar thing in the Indian number system, there is no chance in the minimum value for counting in both the number systems, that is 1, and the maximum is infinity. Okay. So now we are going to discuss numeration in Indian number system. So in Indian number system, first we use a comma, first we place a comma after third digit from the unit digit. Here we cannot place after every third digit from the unit place, because the first third digit from unit place. Here we will place a comma like in international number system, but after that we have to place after every second digit. Okay. For example, we are now going to take an example. If you can't understand my language, then we are now going to take an example. Same example is here: 23, 45, 67, 89. Here the same example which we taken in international number system. This is 23, 45, 67, 89. So what is this? In Indian number system, we have a rule after every third digit. No, it was the rule in international number system, but in Indian number system, the third place from the unit place, which is 1, 2, 3. So this is the third place. So after the third place, we have to place a comma. But after that comma, we have to place a comma after every second digit. So the second is 1, 2. So we will place a comma here. 1, 2. We will place a comma here. So what we have learned? We have learned that in Indian number system, we have to place a comma from right hand side of the number, which is unit place of the number, and the comma will be placed after third digit from the unit place, but after that we have to place comma after every second digit from that number. Okay, so what we have done here, the unit place is 9 and the third digit from this unit place is 7. So we placed a comma in between 6 and 7. But after that, we are placing the commas after every second digit, which is 5 and 3. So in international number system, the same number was 23, 45, 6, 789. But in Indian number system, the same number is 2, 34, 56, 789. So the difference is rising here, that in international number system we used only 2 commas, but in international number system we used only 2 commas, but in Indian number system we have used 3 commas in between the digits of this number. And in the terms of words, the number in Indian number system, it is 2 crore. Okay, I am highlighting this word. It was 2 crore 34 lakh 56,789. So in international number system, it was 23,456,789. But in Indian number system, the same number is pronounced as 2,34,56,789. Okay, so it was the main difference in between both the number systems, which is the use of comma and the pronunciation of the numbers. Here we have given the table for Indian number system for numeration, which we have told you that up to 10,000 here and 99,999 there is no change in both the number system, because the pronunciation of the numbers and the use of the commas in both the number systems is same up to 99,999. But after 99,999 we are having 100,000, and here if we are on 100,000, this is known as lakh, but in international number system it was 100,000. It was 100,000, but in Indian number system it is known as 1 lakh. Okay, and after that, if the power of 10 is 6, then it will be 10,000,000, which is 10 lakh. But in international number system, 10 to the power 6 was a million. So this is the main difference in between both the number systems, international number system and Indian number system. So the third one is Roman number system, which is very important because this is quite different from both the number systems, the international number system and the Indian number system. Roman number system is completely different from international number system and Indian number system. In this number system, we never use any mathematical symbol like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in international number system and Indian number system, we use 10 symbols started from 0 and up to 9. But in the Roman number system, we never use any of this symbol. We use the symbols from English alphabets I, V, X, L, C, D, M, and the bar system, which we have already discussed. So you can see here in Roman number system, the number 1 is written as I, the number 5 is written as V, the number 10 is written as X, the number 50 is written as L, the number 100 is written as C, the number 500 is written as D, the number 1,000 is written as M, the number 5,000 is written as V bar, number 10,000 is written as X bar, number 50,000 is written as L bar, number 1 lakh, it is 1 lakh is written as C bar, and the number 50 lakh, sorry, it is 5 lakh. Okay, the number 5 lakh is written as D bar, and the number 10 lakh is written as M bar. Okay, so we have discussed this chapter in detail in a separate PDF file. In a separate video we will discuss about it. So we have already given a note here for detailed information about Roman number system. Please refer to separate chapter of Roman number system, which we will discuss in our next videos. So in our next videos, first we will discuss about face values. It means what is face values, what is face value, what is place value, how to write expanded notation of the numbers, least number, it means how to write least numbers, how to write largest numbers, and then we will go to natural numbers, whole numbers, and how many types of numbers are there. Okay, so how this video was, please have your feedback in comment section, and if you like the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe the YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. We will meet in our next video. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks a lot.
घिरे हुए अंधियारे को अब हम दूर भगाएंगे, घिरे हुए अंधियारे को अब हम दूर भगाएंगे, ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाएंगे, हम ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाएंगे।